morning. I'm Michelle and I'm an underwriter for Longest Life Insurance Private Limited. As we all know, underwriting an insurance policy means assessing risk under the policy, fixing the premium, and imposing coverage limitations according to the underlying risk. This is only the theoretical understanding of underwriting, but I'm here to give you a perspective on the practical aspects of underwriting. So shoot your questions.
So, you'll be predicting how soon a person will die?
Maybe you call it that way in case of life insurance, but basically I do the job of assessing the risk of insurable interest and then decide the premium for the same.
Aren't you sometimes inclined to benefit the company?
Definitely. It's part of the job since risk analysis reflects the claim's probability. The profitability of the company depends highly on the probability of the claim. The lower the chances of claim in the insurance policy, the more profitability the policy would be.
Then won't you cheat people to do better?
No, not at all. My job is to assess all the data that has any effect on analyzing the risk relating to the policyholder. After detailed verification and assessment of the details, I make decision to accept or reject the policy. This is done well within reason and fairness.
When is all this done? In the phases of taking a policy?
It is done at the time of issuance of the policy, that is, at the initial phase itself.
How long does it take for underwriting an insurance policy?
It depends on the type of policy you buy and the risk factors involved. In case of an insurance plan which has lower coverage, underwriting is done quickly. However, in cases where the coverage is high, insurance underwriting takes time.
Does the job get boring?
To be honest, it can. It's a desk job after all. One has to love the process and I enjoy it.
Can you tell us the process of underwriting?
There are quite a few steps involved in the process of underwriting, but to be precise, there are 3. Application quality check, examination of subject matter, and application rating.
How does one become an underwriter?
Every insurance company has its own set of rules besides the ones framed by the regulator. At entry-level jobs in the field of underwriting, you do not need any particular qualification.
How is it like working as an underwriter?
As an underwriter, you are predicting the future, so it's really fun. You get to make a lot of decisions. Since there are no more questions, I would like to thank you all for taking out the time, and I hope I have answered your questions to your satisfaction. If not, no problem, join my crash courses today. Thank you all, have a good day.